Hello guys. Here you can see me showing you the new workshop place to you 1 month ago. And in this episode I will show you how I built this place to my new workshop and studio with my friends. So, here we go. I have moved in. Yes, And now we are in the studio room on the balcony. Here you can see how does this looks like right now. There is my whiskey barrel, which I restored a few years ago. It will be a decorative thing in this room. And here will be my table. It will be my office table and the table where I do my speaks. And ceiling and walls will be covered with the acoustic panels, and I already posted the plans on the Instagram. Go and follow me on the Instagram so you can see those plans. On the back wall there will be the light concrete blocks and concrete mesh wires on the wall, and the LED stripes will light the wirings, and I can hang things from that net. So yeah, you will see later. And I don't know, maybe there will be some coaches or something like that here so I can hang around. So this studio room is going to be somehow my man cave also. Oh yes, oh yes. But let's continue the tour. And here is how everything looks from above, from the balcony. And let's have a better look. I think here will be some shelves for the storaging, and the bench grinder will come here. Here is the compressor, which is going to be in that room. Now that room is full of building materials and equipment, but yeah, the compressor will be there, and the sink will go there. And I think it's the proper function for the space below the stairs, because I don't see any better function for that space. There might be maybe some room for storaging. Same thing for the wall above the doors. And the painting booth here is actually my wood storage right now. Every piece of wood from the old workshop is there. But yeah, that will be the painting booth. And of course, the moped is here. Too bad I couldn't drive it to here, because you know why. But yeah, he's here. That barrel is for future project, more of that later. And here is the old table from the workshop. I will completely restore this table. I will do episode for it where I restore this, so you don't have to watch this ugly table anymore when I do my restores. And the sandblasting booth is there, and I think maybe its place is there, because I will need to have some HVAC system, air removal. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, in the painting booth. And also I need some air removal for that sandblasting booth, so that's why I think it might be a functional thing to be there. Above the table will be also shelves or cabins, I don't know. But yeah, that's that at this point. Everything is kind of overwhelming when I got all my things here, and now I am not 100% sure where everything goes. But what do you guys think? If you watch this space, what you would do? Tell me in the comments, and I am very interested to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you everyone who helped me during this workshop project. I know you know who you are. I put your names in here. Thank you, all of my great friends. Thank you that you were with me on this building project. I think this is a great opportunity for me and new beginning as a YouTuber. I am so excited the things I am going to accomplish from here, but now I see you in the next episode. Anshjelm out.